Hi everybody, welcome to another episode of Dear Derm. I'm Dr. Mona Gohara. Today we're gonna look at a combination skincare routine, and I'm gonna see if I can give it any tweaks.
Hello, Dr. Mona. This is my skincare routine. I guess it's gonna get reviewed and you'll tell me what I'm doing right and what I'm doing wrong, but let's get to it. So I have pretty standard combination skin, as they say. You know, it gets perfect combination of both oily and dry at different times. Typically it gets pretty dry in the winter and, you know, oily in the summer when it's hotter and I'm doing more activities. I definitely get stress-induced breakouts, and that's pretty much the main cause of my acne.
Hi Ben, thanks for sharing your skincare routine with us. And I love that you called out that you have combination skin, because I actually think that most of us have combination skin. I don't think anybody is all one type of anything, right? I think we have spots that are oily, spots that are dry, spots that are acne prone, spots that are wrinkle prone. So I think that your skin is perfectly perfect being combination skin. I think you hit the nail right on the head.
So I start with a Murad Acne Control Clarifying Cream Cleanser with salicylic acid, which my sister told me is what you need.
I like the fact that you started off with a salicylic acid cleanser. So kudos to your sister, because she's got it going on. She knows what's up from a dermatologic perspective. I love salicylic acid as our hero beta hydroxy acid, or BHA, ingredient. It helps to cut through all of those oils that can clog the pores and form acne. So good job, keep that up.
And then I go on to this Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel, which I find in the winter sometimes is not strong enough, but in the summer it really makes my skin feel very refreshed.
It's really good that you use Hydro Boost right after. Hydro Boost is infused with hyaluronic acid. And again, you hit the nail on the head with this whole idea of it may not be enough in the winter, but in the summer it's kind of like just right. Hyaluronic acid is a humectant. It absorbs water. It acts like a little sponge in our skin. So it's great that you're putting it on top of the sal acid to just kind of mitigate any irritation and to keep your skin looking soft and dewy and glowy, which I know is your goal, right? I'm sure.
And then I have, you know, kind of a random collection of different things for breakouts and like bad pimples that I want to get rid of. I have another Murad Acne Control Rapid Relief Spot Treatment. And you know, depending on my mood, I also have this Kylie's Skin by Kylie Jenner, obviously, thing. This I find works pretty well too. I mean, I think she knows how to get rid of a pimple pretty quickly. And then my last thing is this Murad Invisiscar Resurfacing Treatment that, you know, I think it, you know, refreshes the skin on your face, and, you know, it's good to kind of get rid of acne scarring, which I have a little bit of, as you can see. So just like put a small amount on my cheeks.
So I love the fact, Ben, that you're using a spot treatment, but I would just kind of tweak it a little bit. Use your sal acid cleanser, then use your Hydro Boost, and then consider for any pesky breakouts using a benzoyl peroxide spot treatment instead of more BHA or sal acid. Lastly, you added on more of a salicylic acid with the scar treatment, which again, I think it's awesome that you're targeting those scars before they get out of control and can really be more permanent. But use something with the retin A product in it instead, a vitamin A derivative, because using salicylic acid in all three steps of your routine is a smidge sal acid overkill. So I would start with the cleanser, use a benzoyl peroxide spot treatment, and then use a retin A product instead of another sal acid product for the scarring.
That's pretty much it. I don't know if it's perfect. I assume, you know, you will tell me, but that is my skincare routine.
The things that I love about your routine, because we always want to keep things positive, are that you have products within one family, meaning they're all the same brand. Sometimes that really works well in terms of complementing ingredients. And I love the brand that you chose, Murad, because it's super backed by science. So it's not some like random thing that you've picked out. We know that there's a lot of research and development that have gone into making these products effective. Some of the changes I would make to your routine are to find a benzoyl peroxide spot treatment and maybe a retin-A-based scar treatment to help not only prevent marks that can be permanent, but actually can prevent pimples as well. Ben, thank you so much for sending your routine. Send it again soon. Thanks so much for watching Dear Derm, and don't forget to subscribe to Well+Good. See you guys later.